jungle, so brave and proud. Roar, roar, hear him say, king of the jungle, clear the way. Tiptoe goes the cat, soft and sly, sneaking past these quiet as a sigh. Tip, tip, tap, tap, gentle feet, searching for a cozy seat. Splash goes the fish in the deep blue sea, flipping and diving so happily. Splish, splash, bubbles fly, wiggling tails as they zoom by. Hop goes the bunny over the hill, bouncing with joy and never still. Boing, boing, you're so tall, leaping over rocks so small. Buzz goes the bee near the flowers bright, zooming and zipping left and right. Zzz, zzz, in the air, busy and fast without a care. Stomp goes the elephant, big and grand, thudding his feet across the land. Thump, thump, trees may sway as he slowly walks his way. Hoot goes the owl in the moonlight sky, watching the world as it passes by. Hoot, hoot, from up so high, peeking down with his wise old eye. Roar and tiptoe, jump and buzz, every animal does what it does. Sing along, let's move like that. Roar like a lion, tiptoe like a cat. Hoot goes the owl in the moonlight sky, watching the world as it passes by. Hoo-hoo, from up so high, peeking down with his wise old eye. Roar and tiptoe, jump and buzz, every animal does what it does. Sing along, let's move like that. Roar like a lion, tiptoe like a cat.